You won't believe this. A dog waited at a train station every single day for 9 years. His name was Hachiko. Each morning he walked with his owner to the train station, and every evening he returned to greet him. But one day his owner didn't come back. He had died suddenly at work, and Hachiko didn't understand why he was gone. Still, every evening Hachiko waited, in the same spot, rain or snow. He kept waiting for 9 long years. People began to notice. They brought him food and shared his story. He became a symbol of loyalty in Japan, and when he passed away, a statue was built in his honor, because love never forgets.